Hello, hi, good evening, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Okay, so ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 3 days science class ಆಯ್ತು. So today we will learn maths class. Okay, yes. So which topic we were discussing? ಯಾವ topic ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? Have you remembered? ನೆನಪಿದೆನಾ? Yes. Have you remembered which topic we were discussing? Pair of linear equations in two variables. In the last class, we have discussed what we have discussed. In the last class, we have discussed about the substitution method. ನೆನಪಿದೆನಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? Yes, my dear students, ನೆನಪಿದೆನಾ? So, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Yes, in this chapter, we have discussed about the equation and linear equation, right? And linear equation with one variable. And what is the standard form, or you can say it is a general form of linear equation in one variable, that is ax plus b. Okay, this is very, very important. Remember. Next, pair of linear equations in two variables. That means here we are going to use two variables x and y. What is the general form? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, right? So ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ revise ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay, next. In order to find out the solutions. So ನಮ್ಗೆ solutions ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ, for that we are going to use mainly two methods. That is, one is graphical method and another one is algebraic method. So in graphical method, what we are going to do? We are going to plot a graph, right? So graph anna plot ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. In that graph, how many, that means which type of graph we will get. So whether it is intersecting lines or parallel lines or overlapping, that means coincident lines. ಯಾವ lines ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, depending upon that lines, we are going to find out the solutions, right? Next, when we come to algebraic method, okay? So algebraic method ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, there we are going to use again two methods. That is, one is substitution method and elimination method. So my dear students, in the last class, we have discussed about the substitution method. Have you remembered? Okay. So next, so two intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. So condition ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2. In that condition, you are going to get intersecting lines. Then which type of solutions you are going to get? Unique solution. That means particularly one solution sigatte nimge, right? Next, pair is consistent. If all ratios are equal, see, this is depending upon the ratios. When you compare the ratios, avaga nimge ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. That means all the ratios are equal. That time you are going to get coincident lines, right? So in that condition, infinite solutions you are going to get. Then pair is dependent. It is also consistent, but it is dependent. Remember. Next, a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2, but it is not equal to c1 divided by c2. In that condition, you are going to get parallel lines. Why I am repeating this? Because in today's class, we are going to solve some multiple choice questions. So our multiple choice questions alli ee ella points baratte. Therefore, I am repeating it once again. Okay. When parallel lines are there, then no solutions. You are not going to get any solution. Pair is inconsistent. Remember, this is very, very important. Pair is inconsistent. Next one. So graphical method, already we have discussed this, right? So in graphical method, ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Prepare a table for x and y. X ಮತ್ತೆ y values ಅನ್ನ you are going to plot x and y values in the graph shape, right? Next, on comparing the ratios, we can tell whether the pair is consistent or not, or inconsistent. Hege? Again, we are using the conditions. So depending upon the condition. Hege? See here. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ pair is consistent. A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. So already we have discussed this in the last class. Again, when we come to the substitution method, this is also very, very important method. So from this method, we are going to get 2 or 3 marks questions. Okay, remember. Solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ solve ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Okay. So already you have taken this. You have noted, right? ನಿಮ್ಮ notebook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ problems ಇದೆ. So ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ substitution method ಅನ್ನ? So two equations are there. By using any one equation, we can find out the value of x. Then substitute the value of x in second equation or first equation. Then you are going to get the value of y. So y siktu. Next nange en beku? I want x value also. So for that, substitute the value of y in equation 3. I am getting x value, right? So this is about the substitution method. So in today's session, we are going to solve next problems. Okay? Yes. I hope ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, yes, okay. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problem and find their solutions by substitution method. So here, in earlier problems, they have given us 2 equations. That means directly they have given us the equation. But in this problem, hegide statement ide, right? Here, statement is there. By using that statement, we can construct or we can form a pair of linear equations. Then we'll solve by substitution method. Nimgili substitution method anta particularly mention madidare. They have mentioned here substitution method. That means you have to use substitution method only. Don't use any method. Okay. Yavaga namge particularly graphical method, substitution method and elimination method anta particularly mention madirtare. That time you have to use that method only. Okay. So here substitution method is there. Okay. So what is the problem? The difference between two numbers is 26 and one is 3 times the other. Okay. Find them. That means we need to find out the that two numbers. Two numbers ide. ಆ numbers ina difference ಏನಿದೆ 26 ಇದೆ and so here make 2 parts. The difference between two numbers is 26. This is one part and one number is 3 times the other. So this is other. Okay. Next, en madana ivaga? We don't know the numbers. So for that, let us consider first number. Okay, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. We need to find out that two numbers. So for that, let us consider first number B. So ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. First number Bx. Okay, and second number B1. Okay, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ 12 is the first number and 16 is the second number. So here 16 is the bigger number. ಹೌದಾ? 16 12 ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. For that, what I will do, when y is greater than x, I will consider y minus x anta tagotini. Andre 16 minus 12 anta tagotini. Okay. So the difference between two numbers is 26. That means two numbers anna now x and y anta tagondre y minus x equal to 26 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 26. Call this as equation number 1. Okay. Next, one number is 3 times the other. ಏನ್ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ one number is 3 times the other. That means one number will consider y. Y is 3 times the other. So y is equal to 3x. ಈ ನಂಬರು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗಿಂತ 3 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 3 times the other. ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ y ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ y ಈಸ್ 3 times ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅದರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರ್ ನಂಬರ್, ರೈಟ್? So one number is 3 times the other number. That I will write it as y is equal to 3x. Understood? So this I will call it as equation number 2. Now, so in substitution method, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? ನಮ್ಗೆ by using equation 1 or 2, we can take the value of x or y. Here, directly we got the value of y. See here, ನಮ್ಗೆ y value ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ y is equal to ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ y ಇನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ substitute the value of y in equation number 1. Okay, so y is equal to 3x ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? Substitute the value of y in equation number 1. What I will get? Y value 3x minus x equal to 26. 3x minus x is 2x is equal to 26. Now, x equal to 26. Transfer this 2 to this side. Then it will be divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So, x equal to 30. Right? X equal to 30. Next, now I want value of y because already I got the value of x. X matra beka illa, y kuda beku alva. So for that, substitute where we need to substitute the value of x in equation number 2, right? So y is equal to 3 into 13. So y value is 13 3s are 39. So x value is 30 and y value is 39. Here also you can see y value is 3 times more than the value of x. 39. So 13. 3 times more means 13 3s are 39. Right? So hagidre x value is 13 and y value is 39. Okay. Next, we'll solve next problem. Yes, my dear students. So, ನನ್ಗನ್ಸತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗಾಗ್ಲೇ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗಿದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ನೋ, ರೈಟ್? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಾನ್ ಬಿಡ್ಸಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೇಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಏನಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 marks. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 marks. Substitution method, elimination method, and graphical method can be asked for 4 marks. Remember. Okay. So, 5 years hence, the age of the Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago means hinde, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So, illi namge we will make 2 parts. because this is the statement. Now we need to form a equations. ಎಷ್ಟು equations ಬೇಕು? 2 equations ಬೇಕು. 2 equations ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 5 years hence. Hence means after 5 years. Hence ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 5 years ಮುಂದೆ, after 5 years. So that is first equation. 5 years ago, 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ, 5 years ago ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 2 persons are there. That is, one is Jacob and second one is his son, right? So let Jacob's age will be, Jacob's age is, let us consider Jacob's age ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. We don't know the Jacob's age. So for that we will consider it Jacob's age as X. Okay. Next, his son's age ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? as 1. Jacob's age ಅನ್ನ X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. his son's age ಅನ್ನ Y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 years hence. So first part ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 5 years hence. So 5 years hence. See my dear students, hence ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ after 5 years. ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ after 5 years ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಬ್ಬರನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That means Jacob's age X plus 5 is equal to Y plus 5. Y is Jacob's son's age, X is Jacob's age. ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ 5 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ, after 5 years. That means we need to add 5 years to both the persons, right? Next, ಏನಿದೆ? After 5 years, the age of the Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 3 times means I will multiply this with 3. Jacob's age is 3 times that of his son. Andre 3 into y plus 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, x plus 5 is equal to 3 into y, 3y plus 3 5s are 15. Now what I will do? I will transfer this 3y to this side and 5 to this side. Okay. Variables anna one side madana, constant terms anna one side madana. So x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5. So x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5 is 10. Okay. Now call this as equation number 1. Understood? Understood? Next. ಈಗ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. 5 years ago ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 years ago x minus 5 is equal to y minus 5, right? So 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Means 7 into y minus 5. So x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 7 5s are 35. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 35. Transfer this minus 5 to this side. Then it will be plus 5. X minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5. That is minus 30. Now call this as equation number 2. Okay. Now, from equation 1, by using substitution method, we are finding the solution. So substitution method ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ x or y value ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So for that, here from equation number 1, so equation number 1, x equal to 10 minus 3y. Minus 3y, if you transfer minus 3y to this side, then it will be plus 3y. Yes or no, my dear students? Now I will call this as equation number 3. Now substitute the value of, substitute the value of x, the value of x in equation number 2. Okay. So into equation number 2, I am going to substitute the value of x. So what is equation number 2? Equation number 2 is 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Right? 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So transfer this 10 to this side. Okay. 3y minus 7y. 3y minus 7y means minus 4y you are going to get. Minus 30. If you transfer this 10 to this side, then it will be minus 10. So 4y minus 4y equal to minus 40. So y is equal to minus 40. Transfer this 4 to this side, then divided by minus 4. So 4 ones are 4 tens are minus and minus will get cancelled. So what you will get? Y equal to 10. Okay. Now, next, substitute the value of y in equation number 3y because in order to get the value of x. So for that, I will substitute the value of y in equation number 3. So what is equation number 3? X equal to 10 plus 3 into 10. Y value is 10, right? So 10 plus 30. X equal to 10 plus 30 is 40. So X value is 40 and Y value is 10. But what they have asked in the question, what are their present age? ಈಗಿನ present age ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, right? So X means what? X is the Jacob's age and Y is his son's age. So Jacob's present age X equal to 40 and his son's age Y equal to 10. Understood? Here we have used substitution method. Okay. Understood? Yes. Okay. Yes. So shall we move to next question? Yes. My dear children, this is another method. Okay. So we have discussed two methods, that is graphical method and substitution method. So elimination method is the third method. ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? It is used to find out the solutions. Here also we are going to get the value of x and y. Why? Because there are two equations. So if two equations are there, that means we are going to get two solutions. One is x value and one is y value, right? So adu graphical method agirbodu, substitution method agirbodu, or elimination method. Yava method adru kuda you are going to get x and y. So what is elimination method then? What is elimination method? Yes. So my dear students, elimination. Elimination means what? Eliminate ಮಾಡೋದು. Eliminate means ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕೋದು, right? Eliminate. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? one value ಅನ್ನ eliminate ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು value ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ? See, first write down the equations, solution. ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, find the solutions by using elimination method ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. By using elimination method. Okay. Elimination method. Next. First we'll write down the equations. Correct ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. First we'll write the equations. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This is equation 1. And 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is equation number 2. Okay. Next. So, 3x plus 4y equal to 10. 2x minus 2y equal to 2. ನಾವು one value ಅನ್ನ eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ see observe carefully ಇಲ್ಲಿ x and y are two variables. In both the equations we have x and y, two variables are there. So first we need to eliminate any one variable. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 3x is there, here 2x is there. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ that first we need to equate the values of the variables, right? We need to equate that variables. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2y ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4y ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4y ಇದೆ. If you multiply this equation by 2, you are going to get 4y. ಅವಾಗ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನಾದ್ರೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನಾದ್ರೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೈ 2. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 2 into 2, 4x minus 2 into 2 minus 4y is equal to 2 into 2. So in all the values you have to multiply. That means you have to multiply by 2. Ella values igu multiply by 2 ide. So x igu 2 ide, 2 idukku y igu 2 ide, idukku 2 dinda multiply ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೇ values igalla. Okay, I am multiplying whole equation by 2, right? Next, understood? ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು 2 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? in order to equate this variable. So y value ಅನ್ನ equal ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 4y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 4y ಇದೆ, right? Next, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಇದೆ, here it is minus. So when opposite signs are there, directly I will cancel these two variables. If ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 3x plus 4x 7x, 10 plus 2 12. So x equal to, no 2 2s are 4, right? So sorry, 2 2s are 4. That means 10 plus 4, that is 14. So 14 divided by 7, 7 1s are 7 2s are. So x equal to 2 you will get. Now, in order to find out the y, value of y, what I will do? Substitute the value of x in any one equation. Equation number 1. ಈ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು x ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ equation 1, I am substituting the value of x. X value is 2. 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. Transfer the 6 to this side. 4y is equal to 10 minus 6. So y is equal to 4y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are. That means y is equal to 1 you will get. So solutions are x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Understood? Okay, understood? Yes. So ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Then definitely you will understand. Okay. See, wait for a minute. So one simple problem ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Yes. See, x minus y equal to, sorry. X minus y is equal to x minus y equal to 14. Then x plus y equal to 4. X plus y equal to 14. X minus y equal to 4. So this is, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿನ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ x minus y equal to 4. Right? X minus y equal to 4. Now call this as equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now we need to find out the solutions by elimination method. Right? So elimination method anna now use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So my dear children, observe carefully. ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿತ್ತು, ಯಾವುದೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 3x, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2x, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 4y, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2y. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾನೇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಬೈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, x is there, x is there, y is there, y is there. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. See, plus y minus y is there. Okay. So plus y and minus y will get cancelled directly. No need to change the signs. Here plus y is there, minus y is there. So equal agide. X and x. So plus x means 2x. Add martira. 14 plus 4, that is 18. So x equal to 18 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are. Right? X equal to 9 you will get. Next, substitute the value of x in equation number 1 or 2. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ನೀವು substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು in equation number 1. So x plus y equal to 14. So x value is 9. 9 plus y equal to 14. Y equal to 14. Transfer this 9 to this side. Minus 9. So 14 minus 9, it is 5. So y equal to 5. Understood? Very simple problem. Okay. Yes. When we come to this problem, ಹೇಗೆ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದು? Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. See, ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this question can be asked for 4 marks. 2 marks for elimination method and 2 marks for substitution method. So already we have discussed about the substitution method. We will solve by elimination method. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್ elimination method. X plus y equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Next, here also ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ equation 1 by 2. Why? If I multiply this equation by 2, then I will get 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Here also 2x is there. Here also 2x is there. So I will eliminate that variable. Okay. 2 into x, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Yes, my dear students, observe carefully. Here plus 2x is there, plus 2x is there. So plus sign means need to add these two numbers. but I don't want to add, I want to eliminate. For that what I will do, I will change this sign. If plus is there, then make it minus. Minus is there, make it plus. Plus is there, make it minus. So signs ಅನ್ನ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದು. Okay, now plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled, right? Plus 2x plus 3y. ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಆ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ. Plus 3y plus 2y plus 3y means that is 5y is equal to 10 minus 4, 6. So y is equal to 6 divided by 5. This is the value of y. Now substitute the value of y. Substitute the value of y in equation number 1 or 2. In any equation you can substitute. Equation number 1. X plus y equal to 5. X plus 6 divided by 5 is equal to 5. This is equation number 1, right? Now, x plus 6 by 5 is there. So 5 is the LCM here. Because here nothing is there means 1. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 is the LCM. 5x plus 6 equal to 5. Transfer this 5 to this side. 5x plus 6 equal to 25. So 5x equal to, transfer this 6 to this side. 25 minus 6. So 5x equal to 25 minus 6 is 19. So x equal to 19. Transfer this 5 to this side, divided by 5. This is the value of x. So elimination method is easiest method, right? X equal to 19 divided by 5. Understood? ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 3 ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ನಾನು 2 ದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೈ 3 ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ವೈ. ವೈ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೈ 3. ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Three x minus 5 minus 4 equal to 0. 9x equal to 2y plus 7. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು equations ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ changes ಇದೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? See, solution. 3x minus 5y. Transfer this minus 4 to this side. Then it will be plus 4. 9x. Transfer this 2y to this side. Then it is minus 2y. is equal to 7. Okay, correct ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 9x is there, here 3x is there. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕನ್ವಿನಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರೂ if I multiply this equation by 3, then I will get 9x. Here also 9x is there. Here also 9x is there. So I can easily eliminate that value, right? So ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನೀಗ 3 ದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ 3 into 3, 9x minus 3 5s are 15. Y is equal to 4 3s are 12. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಮಿಸ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ here also 9x is there, here also 9x is there. But one problem ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? plus 9x plus 9x. So we change the signs. Plus ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. So 9x and 9x will get cancelled. Minus 15y plus 2y. minus 15y plus 2y, you are going to get minus 13y, right? 15 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ minus 13y you will get. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So y value is minus 5 divided by 13. Why? Transfer this minus 13 to this side. You will get minus 5 divided by 13. Now, substitute the value of y in any equation you can substitute. ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, then also you will get same value. So in equation number 1, so 3x minus 5 into minus 5 divided by 13 is equal to 4. Now 3x minus into minus plus 5 into 5, 25 divided by 13 is equal to 4. 13, nothing is there means 1. So 13 is the LCM. So final answer ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. 13 3s are 39. X plus 25 is equal to 4. Now transfer this 13 to this side. 39x plus 25 is equal to 52. Now transfer this 25 to this side. 39x is equal to 52 minus 25. So 39x is equal to 52 minus 25, 7. 27. So x equal to 27 divided by 39. So 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 9s are. So x value will be 9 divided by 13. Understood? Understood? Any doubt is there? Yes. So some students are doing. Very good. So okay. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇನಪ್ಪ, ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೈ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಬೈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ x/2. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Okay, so I will explain this problem once again. See, correct agi nodi. 3x minus 5y, if you transfer this minus 4 to this side, then it is plus 4. Okay, this is equation number 1. So 9x, transfer this 2y to this side, minus 2y is equal to 7. Equation number 2. What I have told, when we are using elimination method means to eliminate one variable. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ when we want to eliminate the variables, first condition is variable values equal ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? See here 3x ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 3x ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9x ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 9x ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2y ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 2y ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5y ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 5y ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ here 3x is there, here 9x is there. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೈ, ಎನಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ನಾನೇನ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನನ್ಗೇನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೈ 3, so 3 3s are 9, here also 9x 9x both are same, then I can eliminate the x value. x ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಈ 3 ಏನಿದೆ it belongs to all the values, not only for x. It belongs to x, y and constant value. See, 3 into 3x 9x, 15y ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 3 into 5 5 3s are 15, right? So 15y minus into plus, that is minus 15y is equal to 4 3s are 12. Understood? Now 9x minus 2y 7. ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ರೈಟ್? ನೌ 9x and 9x will get cancel, minus 15y plus 2y. ಈಗ when we are changing the sign, consider this sign, not this sign. ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That means here 2y plus 2y minus 15y plus 2y, that is minus 13y. 12 minus 7 5. So y is equal to, transfer this 13 to this side, 5 divided by 13 minus 5 divided by 13. Next, substitute the value of y in equation number 1. Any equation you can substitute. ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. So here I am substituting in equation number 1. So equation number 1, 3x minus 5y, y value is minus 5 divided by 13. So calculation madidre you will get the value of x. Understood? Easy. So next problem, idanna ನೀವು solve ಮಾಡಿ, you will be perfect. ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? See my dear children, see x by 2, so note down ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. x by 2 plus 2y divided by 3 is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 1. And x minus y divided by 3 is equal to 3. So ಈ ತರಹ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಹೇಗ್ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದು? ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ? Wait for a minute. No, don't call this as equation number 1. So ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, 2 and 3 is there. So in the denominator 2 and 3 is there. So ಅವಾಗ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, I need to take LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? 6 you will get, right? So LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So first equation ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, observe carefully. 6. So 6 ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ multiply by 3, here also 3, here 3 2s are 6, here also 2. X into 3, 3x plus 2y into 2, 4y is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now, transfer this 6 to this side. So 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6, right? Now, call this as equation number 1. Next, from second equation, x minus y by 3 is equal to 3 is there. So nothing is there means 1. So LCM is 3 here, into 3, into 3, into 1, into 1. So x into 3, 3x minus y is equal to 3. Now transfer this 3 to this side. 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s are 9. So 3x minus y is equal to 9. Now call this as equation number 2. Okay. Now we'll solve by elimination method. First we'll write the equations. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Okay. Now, here 3x is there, 3x is there. So directly I can eliminate the value of x. Illi ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು number ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡೋ necessary ಇಲ್ಲ. Right? So I will change the signs because here also plus is there, here also plus is there, here minus. So plus 3x minus 3x will get cancelled. 4y plus y, 5y minus 6 minus 9. Minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. Okay. Now, y is equal to minus 15 divided by 5. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. So, y value is minus 3. Now, substitute the value of y in equation number 1. Or you can substitute in 2. 3x plus 4 into minus 3, y value is minus 3 is equal to minus 6. So 3x minus into plus minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus 6. So 3x equal to minus 6. Transfer this minus 12 to this side. It is plus 12. So 3x equal to 6. X equal to 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So x value is 2. Y value is minus 3. X value is 2. Okay. Yes, very good. Yes, understood. Easy method. Okay. Yes. So this is about the elimination method. Elimination method ಅಲ್ಲಿ one variable ಅನ್ನ eliminate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. If you eliminate x, then you will get the value of y. Then substitute the value of in any one equation. Then you will get the value of x. So this is about the elimination method. Okay. So we'll solve some multiple choice questions. Yes, my dear students, all are ready. Multiple choice questions ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸೋಣ. See, all are ready? If two equations have exactly one solution and are in the form a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, then they are coincident lines, intersecting lines, transversal line, parallel lines. Yes, my dear students, I want quick answers. Yes, ಯಾವ answer ಬರುತ್ತೆ fast? Which answer is right? A, B, C, D. Yes. So when this condition is there, that time, which type of lines you will get? Yes. Why you are saying parallel lines? No, we are getting intersecting lines. If A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2, that times you are going to get intersecting lines. Parallel lines ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Here, A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. Then that means intersecting lines you will get. If two equations have no solutions, observe carefully, no solutions and are in the form A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Then, ಯಾವ line ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Yes. So for second answer, for second question, which one is the right answer here? Yes, very good. D, very good. Yes, parallel lines you are going to get. In the general form of pair of linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 are, I have already told you, a1, b1, c1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. whole numbers, real numbers, integers, co-primes. Yes, my dear students. Yav numbers irutte A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Yes, I am waiting for your answers. Yes, very good. Answer B, that is real numbers. Very good. Real numbers A1, B1, C1, coefficient of X, coefficient of Y and constant term. So that all are real numbers. Remember. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 2 more balls of the same kind for Rs 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically. Okay. So for that, ಹೀಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Algebraically, we need to represent. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದೆನ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ y. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ and this is second equation, remember. Okay. So in first equation, 3 bats, 3 into x plus 6 into y is equal to 3,900. In second equation, she buys another bat. How many bats? Another bat means 1 bat. So 1 into x is x. X plus 2y is equal to 1,300. Right? This is the answer. Okay. Just represent this situation algebraically. Andre now equations anna baribeku. So this question can be asked for 1 mark. Next, check whether the pair of equations x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12 is consistent. Consistent agidena ilva check madana. Hege? By comparing the ratios, right? So by comparing the ratios, equations ಏನide? First write down the equations. X plus 3y is equal to 6. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So whether they are consistent or not. When they are consistent, that conditions already we know. So first a1 divided by a2. Now dear children, a1 value is 1, a2 value is 2, b1 divided by b2. What is the value of b1 here? 3, b2 value is minus 1. So 3 divided by minus 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. You will get minus 1. Now observe carefully. A1 divided by A2 value is 1 by 2. B1 divided by B2 value is minus 1. Are they equal? No. Are they same? No. That means here A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. That means you will get intersecting lines, right? Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines idre pair is consistent. Okay. So pair is consistent. Yes or no? Parallel iddaga matra they are inconsistent. When they are coincident, dependent. When they are intersecting, consistent. Next one. Next one try ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Then the lines are, which type of lines you are going to get? Coincident, intersecting, transversal, parallel. Yes, my dear children. Yes. ಯಾಕೆ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಂತಾ? X plus 2y is equal to minus 4. Okay, which one is right here? Yes, I know time is over. We'll solve this question. Then we'll end up the class. 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ? ಅಗೇನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? A1 divided by A2, 1 divided by 2, right? B1 divided by B2, 2 divided by 4. Here also you will get 1 divided by 2. That means A1 divided by A2, B1 divided by B2. Both are same. Next, compare C1 divided by C2. Minus 4 divided by minus 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Right? 4 threes are. Yes. So, ಯಾವ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Yes, my dear children, if this condition is there, then which type of lines you are going to get? That is parallel lines. So option D is right. Yes, very good students. Parallel lines. Okay. So in today's session, we have discussed about the elimination method. ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು elimination method? Easy method ಅಲ್ಲ? Okay. And also we have solved some multiple choice questions. So ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಡೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಳೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತೇನ್ 1 hour ನಾವು ತೆಗ್ದಿದೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಇದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಮುಗಿದೋದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಟೈಮ್, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನವನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು. ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್. ಬೈ.